Have you created a new post or page on your website and you want to ping Google to crawl these pages? You don't need to go to the Google Search Console to request to index. First, make sure you have your sitemap URL ready. If you're using the Yoast SEO plugin, it will automatically generate this for you. To notify Google of your new pages, type this URL on the address bar in your browser: www.google.com/ping $sitemap equals the sitemap URL in your website. Then hit enter. A message will pop up. Sitemap notification received. Your sitemap has been successfully added to our list of sitemaps to crawl. Please note that Google does not guarantee all submitted URLs will get indexed. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.